musicals, nagka-migraine sila lahat ng inaaral namin. Kahit ako nagka-migraine akong katuturo, ba't ko ba ginawa? Sana ginawa ko na lang mas simple yung kanta. Pero that is what makes the process very interesting. Direct Pepe Sola 2019 production. So yun yung cast na sinabi niya, gusto kong kunin yung same cast na yun. Sabi ko, wow! Talaga? Yung iba. Kasi ang dami ko rin ginawang films for film festival. Yung casting talaga, alam natin na pinupush yung the most popular, the biggest. Very brave of and very should I say ambitious na yung cast ng theater kinuha mismo doon.
It was important for me na i-preserve yung kupang. That's why we really wanted as much as possible yung cast from the stage play ay ang cast natin for the film. Yung mga nanonood ay handa na, I think, or are hungry or are looking for different kinds of films as well. And at the end of the day, it's really the story and the performances.
Ang Himalaya sa puso ng